This is a short video about 5 reasons to buy Kyle's jewellery. Number 1. All the jewellery is handcrafted here in the UK. Over the past 28 years, we've been mastering the technique, and we're jewellery experts in the industry with several different awards. All the jewellery is nickel free, so it's great for sensitive skin and won't cause any irritations.
Number 2, customized service. You can either choose a ready-made product, or why don't you create your own by choosing from hundreds of different shades of Swarovski crystals and have that unique piece of jewellery.
Number 3, an international guarantee. We make all our jewellery with passion and commitment, and this credibility is reflected by our guarantee.
Number 4, our 7-day return policy. If there's a manufacturing defect, we'd be glad to repair and correct it, but that hardly ever happens.
And finally, number 5, our customer support. We're open 7 days a week, so if you need advice, you can get in touch by phone, email or WhatsApp, or even a FaceTime consultation.